Sounds you need to make to sound more Spanish. Uy. Instead of saying, oh, it's uy. Pretty much anything that surprises you, you can go uy. For example, if you're walking down the street and you trip, you'd be like, uy. Or if somebody tells you something, you can be like, uy. If you're speaking and you kind of need a moment to think, instead of saying or say super Spanish. This one is something that my parents say when I go back home. I do this now in English and they find it rude, but in Spanish it's super normal. If somebody's calling you like from another room and you're like, eh? Like you want them to be like, I can't hear you, be like, eh? Instead of huh, it's eh? If something tastes really good, buah, buah, está buenísimo. If something is a shame, you could be like, jo, qué pena, jo. Which ones did I miss off the list?